The Breville Oracle Jet Espresso machine in Damson Blue is designed to bring professional cafe-quality coffee right into your kitchen. It uses the 4 keys formula followed by top baristas, which ensures the perfect dose of freshly ground beans, precise temperature control, optimal water pressure, and true microfoam milk, making it ideal for latte art. One of the standout features is the new cold brew and cold espresso options, allowing you to enjoy a smooth, light coffee with reduced acidity, extracted at lower temperatures for a balanced flavor profile. The integrated high-carbon hardened steel Barista grinder automatically grinds, doses, and tamps your coffee with precision, offering 45 grind settings to suit every taste. The auto milk system creates silky microfoam with adjustable temperatures ranging from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit and 8 texture levels, catering to dairy, soy, almond, and oat milk alike. Powered by the thermojet heating system, this machine heats up quickly and is up to 32% more energy efficient than conventional thermoblock systems, while the professional-grade temperature control ensures your extraction is always spot-on, customizable in 1-degree increments. With a capacity of 77 fluid ounces, the Breville Oracle Jet is both practical and stylish, housed in durable stainless steel and weighing 26.7 pounds. It combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, offering a premium experience for coffee enthusiasts who want convenience without sacrificing quality. Additionally, when you purchase and register this machine, you receive 2 free bags of specialty coffee, making it an even more enticing choice for coffee lovers. For anyone looking to elevate their home coffee experience, the Breville Oracle Jet stands out as a top-of-the-line option that delivers cafe-quality drinks with every cup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.